Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a quick everyday makeup look. This is a super simple, easy look that you can achieve every day. This is my personal go-to. So whether I'm staying home or going to the grocery store, or even if I'm going out, I feel like I can pull off this look. So I'm excited to show you all of the products that I love and that I personally use like every day to achieve this look. And without further ado, let's get started. My first step is to always use a facial toner. I like to do this because I like to make sure that I have all of the cleanser and any residual makeup removed from my face. And I honestly feel like using a toner just helps your skin feel like it can breathe again after you use a cleanser. And then I like to hydrate my face and make sure that I have wonderful moisturized skin under my makeup all day long. And I always use an eye cream. Now moving on from skincare, I like to use a foundation primer to make sure that my foundation stays in place, and it also helps to smooth any of my texture that's going on. So I go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish and I apply about a pea-size amount all over my face, and I just press this in. And for foundation, I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin, and I'm using shade 1.1. I'm going to apply this with the Mint Pear Flat Top Kabuki brush, and I just apply a few drops right on there, and I just go right onto my skin and really blend this out. This is a light coverage, so even though this is an everyday look, I feel like I can get enough coverage without looking like I have too much makeup on, which is really nice, because then I feel like I have a nice even complexion all day long. But yet I won't have like a cakey face, you know, midday or towards the end of the day. It's just a really nice coverage all day long. And I take that right over my eyelids. And then I jump right into concealer, and I like to use the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is in light sand. And I love these sample sizes because they don't get messy around the neck of the bottle, and I can really keep these in my purse easily with this small size. And then just taking that same foundation brush, I'm just going to gently blend that out. And then I'm going to set everything in place with the Huda Beauty baking powder, and I use the shade Pound Cake. And I just take the large powder brush and just put a bit of powder on there and just go over my entire face and set everything in place. And now for bronzer, I'm using Too Faced. This is the Chocolate Soleil. And I'm just going to take this and go right under my cheekbone and really warm up my face. And using a brush like this, I can really blend it in quickly if I'm in a hurry. And I like to take this under my jaw. And then I like to take it up. So I really just warm up the entire face on the perimeter and just kind of blend that into each other. Now for a quick eyeshadow look, I'm not going to use any eyeshadow. I'm just going to take the same bronzer and I'm just going to apply a little of this straight to my lid, right over that concealer and foundation that I've already applied. And I'm not even going to prime my lid because I feel like when you're using a bronzer and then you have the natural oils from your eyelid, it just becomes this beautiful dewy look throughout the day. And I just take this brush and just kind of blend that without any really like crazy precision or placement. I just put that right on and just blend that out. And it just becomes this beautiful look. It just adds depth to your eye. I think it looks so beautiful. Just do this every day. And then I'm just going to take just a little bit of that and just go right underneath the eye as well. Now, one of my favorite blushes that I got in one of the Ipsy bags is, was this Ipsy or Boxy Charm? I can't remember. But this is Note, and it's Desert Rose number 5, and I'm going to link this below for you. But I found this is still available on Amazon, and I just love this color. So I'm just going to take a little bit onto a little blush brush, and I just brush this right on the center of the apple of my cheek and just brush that up. I think it's nice to always add just a little bit of color. Kind of brings your face to life, gives you like that flushed, happy look. Now I'm going to reach into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and I'm going to show you what I do with this. I basically just take the highlighter from here, and I put this in a few different places. I put this right on my brow bone really quickly, right in the center of my eye. And then I, of course, put that right on my upper cheekbone as highlighter. And just bring that all the way back. And then right on the bridge of my nose, my upper lip, my cupid's bow. Alright, and that is it. For brows, I am using the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just use the spoolie to just brush my brows into place. And then I take the pencil and just carve out a few hairs here. Go right under the brow. And I put those in place with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. And I just brush those straight up. To brighten my under eye, my inner waterline, I like to use Smashbox Always Sharp. And this is in shade Bear. Now I'm just going to take an eyelash curler and curl my lashes. I just go right to the base and I curl, and then I curl in the middle and I curl at the tip. And for mascara, I'm going to use the Lancome Monsieur Big, which is absolutely my favorite mascara. And I'm just going to apply a few coats of this. I'm going to put a coat to my bottom lashes. Now for lips, I'm going to use Whirl, and this is like the perfect fall liner. It's just the most beautiful rich color, and I like to go over my entire lip with this. Because I feel like that helps to keep my lipstick on all day long by covering my entire lip and not just lining the outside. And I'm gonna go over that with Birthday Suit by Revlon. This is the vinyl lip and I love these. These are so moisturizing, and I just put a little bit on and it stays for hours and hours. I love them. And there you have it. So this is like my everyday go-to quick makeup tutorial with some of like my favorite products. I've been using these products for a long time because I feel like as I do so many tutorials, I discover new products, and the ones that I really love and hold on to, I keep using every single day. And I like this look because whether I'm staying home, cleaning the house, taking a Zoom call, or I'm going to the grocery store, going out, I can put on this look and I feel like I'm put together. I feel like it doesn't take a lot of time. I don't feel like I have too much makeup on, but it just makes me feel like, okay, I took some time for myself today and I created something that makes me happy. So this is my look that really makes me feel like, okay, I got ready today and it didn't take too much time. So hopefully you found that helpful. And of course, I'm going to link all of these products below in the description for you. And if you have any questions about the shades or the brands, just let me know in the comments. I'm always here to help. And with that, I hope that you have a beautiful day. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and turning on your notification bells so that you know when my new videos are live on my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Take care.